Kitties have been fed and everyone is doing good this morning. It is. Don sent me out here to check on the conditions today, and it is slightly less humid, but I wouldn't call it refreshing.
Yeah, I would say it's detectable that it's less humid, but that's it. It doesn't even come close to having that, oh, that's nice out here too.
Yeah, not today.
Bummer. Nice.
What?
I got attacked by spider webs.
Yeah.
Every now and then, when I go out, I hit a couple spider webs. But today was really bad. I hit like 2 on the way out and 1 on the way back. Don't ask me how I missed it going out. But one of them, the spider was crawling on me, and I had to get him off.
Thank God that was you, not me. Yeah, there were several spider webs when I went up to feed Stripe, the feral cat at the top of the hill. I had to push through several spider webs. Yeah. I need to start carrying a stick in the morning this time of year.
I think I'm going to go exactly what I think. I'm going to have to find me a stick. I found a toadstool hiding under the plant.
Yeah, I stuck it here. I figured between us, we took all that time to repaint it. We should put it where we can enjoy it.
And you got your 2 white flowers over there blooming on your hibiscus looking thing.
Actually, I think those are the 2 that closed from yesterday but haven't fallen off yet. But yes.
Okay.
But there's more coming. There's more coming. I found the blue Lego parts that I need to replace the white piece on both sides, so I'm going to do that. All fixed, and you kind of get a feel now for how big around this is, because this is a big chunk of the center body. Time to go for my Sunday pogo drive. Just making sure I don't see any deer before I go any further, and I don't. Yeah, I guess the 2 deer in yesterday's video that were up the driveway from the doe were probably the babies. It was hard to tell detail with the vlogging camera at that distance, which is probably like 75 feet off the front porch. But I'm pretty sure that's, you know, those 3 were together. So I don't see them today, however. Don's giving a little bit of love to the van. He is going to get Jules out and wash Jules, but while he's got the equipment out, you know, the van doesn't have to be perfect, but it does collect spider webs and dust in the carport area, so I appreciate him blasting her off too. Poor old Blue. The back glass area on these Honda Odysseys always is where it gets the dirtiest. It just accumulates back there. The aerodynamics, the shape of the body, that's just what it does. Don and I did suds are all up really good. Don did the high roof stuff, and I did a good bit of the rest of it. So she should be looking as good as she's gonna look, which is still pretty darn good considering she's a 2006 model. Don says he's fighting ants again today. You might remember the last time he washed Jules, there were ants on her, and he says they showed up again today. I'm working on bag 2. As you can see, I'm building more of the main body. I think I just heard Don finish up with the blower, so I'm headed out to help with the door frame wipe down. I ended up watering all the plants and blowing the driveway in the cul-de-sac, and Don stayed on Jules. And he's still out there finishing up, but I'm gonna start cooking chicken wings. And just, it's already 6 o'clock and it's probably take me like 90 minutes to get those wings on the table, so I'd better get booking. No more Legos for now. Well, maybe if I can squeeze them in while the legs are browning. I mean, the wings are browning. Bag 2 is done. Ready for bag 3 tomorrow. You can guess this is where the legs attach to. It looks like tomorrow we start building another body section. Dinner's ready. Yep, dinner's ready. Wow, that sure is some good looking ice cream. You must have been a good boy this weekend.
I think I was.
This has maple nut butter in it with extra maple and extra chocolate. I'm sure that won't stop the guys from putting chocolate on top of it also, but you get the gist. Wow, does that look creamy. Woo!